Cell organelles and their functions. Watch this video. The overview. We will be making models of plant cells as we learn about their organelles. For every organelle, we will write the function, discuss the analogy, create a model out of construction paper. Cell wall. Surrounds the plant cell and maintains cell shape and structure. Plant cell only. Cell wall. Analogy. Brick wall gives structure and support to a building. Cell wall. Black paper. Round the edges of your piece of black paper. Cell membrane. Controls what goes in and out of the cell. Cell membrane. Analogy. Lock and key. The cell membrane controls what goes in and out of the cell. A lock and key controls who can come in and who can stay out. Yellow paper. Round the edges and cut the sides just slightly so the black is peeking through like a photo. Like the photo. Glue on the top of the plant cell or the plant wall and label. Use the photo for example. Cytoplasm. Gel-like fluid that supports the cell organelle and holds them in place. Analogy is a fruit cup. A fruit cup contains jello that holds the fruit in place. Green paper. Round the edges and cut the sides just slightly so the yellow is peeking through like the photo below. Glue on top of the cell membrane and label. Use the photo for reference. Nucleus, the control center for the cell. Analogy is a brain. Our brain is the control center of our body. Yellow paper. Draw, cut, glue, and label. Use the photo for reference. Endoplasmic reticulum, place where materials are processed and moved around inside the cell. The analogy is a highway. The ER is like a highway that transports materials around the cell. Pink paper. Draw, cut, glue, and label. Use the photo for reference. Packages and transmit Golgi bodies. Packages and transmit cellular material throughout the cell. The analogy is a mailbox. The post office packages and transmit mail. Orange paper. Draw, cut, glue, and label. Use the photo for reference. Vacuoles. Storage space for water, waste, food, and other cellular material. Analogy is food containers. These containers store food and water. Blue paper. Draw, cut, glue, and label. Use the photo for reference. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Breaks down food to make energy for the cell. The analogy is a battery. A battery gives a device energy. Red paper. Draw, cut, glue, and label. Use the photo for reference. Lysosome, digestion and waste removal. Analogy is Lysol. Lysosomes clean just like Lysol cleans surfaces. Purple paper. Draw, cut, glue, and label. Use the photo for reference. Chloroplast makes food for plant cells. Plant cell only. The analogy is a chef. A chef makes food for people. Green paper. Draw, cut, glue, and label. Use the photo for reference. The ribosome makes proteins for the cell. The analogy is muscles. Protein builds muscles in humans. Brown paper. Draw, cut, glue, and label. Or glue, and this one you don't have to label because it's too small. Use the photo for reference. So plant versus animal cells. Plant cells have cell walls and chloroplasts. Animal cells do not. Most plant cells are rectangular in shape, and whereas most animal cells are round.